Question 11. Given the formula for area equals length times width, you know that formula, area equals length times width, where L is the length and W is the width, of course, which formula can be used to solve for, can we reorganize it to solve for length? Okay, so check it out. Let's just write the formula. Area equals length times width, all right? They give you a formula you've seen for a while for geometry, and maybe it kind of confuses you a little bit, but basically this is like the literal equation thing. We're just going to reorganize the formula. We don't need to do any math. We don't actually need to, no numbers involved. We don't need to add, subtract, multiply, or divide to be able to solve this. We want to get L by itself. We want to get length is equal to. So how do we do that? Area right now is by itself. L is with the W. That means you're multiplying whatever your length is times whatever your width is. Well, let's get the W out to get the L by itself. So if you're multiplying, the opposite would be to divide out the W, but you've got to do that on both sides, all right? So when you do that, it divides out and gets rid of the W there. I'm left with an equals. I'm going to write it as it is. I've got an L over there. And then on this side, well, you can't divide an A by a W, so you're just going to write it A over a W. L equals A over a W, or A over W equals an L. Well, if we just flip this around and rearrange it, you look at your answers, I'll have the L in front. Well, basically, L is going to be equal to the A over the W. Choice D has got that set up right there. L is equal to A over W. You wouldn't pick A because you're not multiplying. I don't know where we're getting subtraction from. C and D are the only probable ones, but you'll see C has it flipped around and has the width being divided by the area, which is incorrect. So that's all you need to do. You don't need a calculator. You don't need to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. You just get the W out by following our normal steps for solving for a variable and moving over for literal equations.